This is the Milwaukee Packout 3-drawer toolbox, is what we've got here. Why, might you ask, do I need another bloody box? Hey everybody, and welcome to the video. So what we're going to be doing today is talking about the Milwaukee Packout system. This is a UK based version because 99.99% of the videos I've watched about the Milwaukee Packout system is based in the USA. And they're all red and black. Well, this is actually black and red. And why are we talking about this today? Because we have a new addition to the family. What we have is this is the Milwaukee Packout 3-drawer toolbox, is what we've got here. Why, might you ask, do I need another bloody box? Clearly, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes already. Do I really need another box? The main reason why I've gone for the 3-drawer toolbox is because if I turn you this way quickly, I was a mechanic for 20 years. And as a mechanic, what do you have? You have a snap-on, if you've got any money, you have a snap-on toolbox. So you can get to your tools, you've got your spanners in here, and you've got your pliers in here, and then you've got your screwdrivers in here, sockets in the top, however you want to have it set up, but it's all there readily available. And what I find a bit annoying about moving into the building trade as being a tiler doing bathroom renovations is what I'm doing now, is everything's in a box, it's fine, but you got to take off that one, and you got to take off that one, and then you got to take off that one to get to the one that you want. And it's always in the bottom box, isn't it? Let's be honest, it's always in the bottom box. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to try, and I'm going to buy the 3-drawer box. I don't know what I'm going to put in it yet, I've got no idea what I'm going to put in it, but I thought I'd buy that and see if this solves my internal issues I have with the toolbox system. So let's get into it and open it up. We've got, this came from FFX online. I literally ordered it yesterday, came today. It was the cheapest one on the internet. It was 139 quid, which I think is too bad. Again, Milwaukee Packout stuff is more expensive than the DeWalt's. The DeWalt, they do a drawer one, but I watched a ginger bald guy from America doing a video on it, and he's got all DeWalt tools and he's changed to the Packout system because it is the best system, let's be honest. So this is, don't know what I'm talking about, this is that one. What we're going to do is we're going to open it up. Right, there we have it guys. On all my tiles I need to fit for my house. Here we have the new 3-drawer system. Another massive box which we'll need to dispose of, but Christmas is around the corner, so we'll add it to the pack. So, well, it looks nice. Let's be honest, it looks like all the other ones. It looks absolutely no difference in style, but that's a good thing. How this one works differently to the other ones is apparently you push this down, take out the locking clip, so this keeps it all locked in. You push that down, open that up, and that slides in there like that. And then these don't have an internal lock. Oh no, it does. Oh no, it's just got a decent amount of before you get it in and out. That's all right. I thought in the other video they made it sound like it just pops out really easily, but like it doesn't, you know. It's not bad, it's pretty good. Right, what we got? We've got all our inserts here. We've got the modular system, all the bits you can no doubt buy. I think we have most of the system, let's be honest. Yeah, so that's one there, that's two there. What I was obviously wanting to gauge was the depth of the drawers to see whether I felt like it was going to be deep enough for what I wanted. Now the other thing as well is I thought that when you've got a box, if you had a box like, say like this size box here, and you fill it, you literally fill it to the top, you've got no idea what's in the bottom of that box. You're never going to get anything that's in the bottom. We're going to spend ages rummaging around. At least this way, I can utilise the whole box from top to bottom. That's the plan anyway. And we've got some dividers. So yeah, let's work out what we're going to do. Locker in the top there. Now the bottom, as I was saying earlier, the bottom box is my main box. So I'm going to now take off all the boxes to get to the bottom box, to then take out some of the stuff from the bottom box that I use every day. Let the process begin. So here we have, I don't know if you can see down here, this is where all my power tools are currently stored in here, but ideally I want to put them into one of the packouts. So what we need to do is I think I'm going to use this as my day box pretty much, a little bit more. Great little Hoover this one, check out the video. Great little radio. I say a great little radio. Apparently it's a DAB radio, but every single location I've been to, there is no DAB signal, so a little bit of a con. Anyway, who cares about the situation of my Packout? This is something I can do later. No one really cares about that. What we're talking about is this. And I'm excited, I'm happy. I think we're going to have loads of space in it. I think I'm probably going to be investing in 1 or 2 more as well, if I'm honest. Don't tell the wife. That's it really for this one, guys. If you like the video and you want to see me do anything more on any tool reviews, because let's be honest, we've got an absolute ton of Milwaukee tools, let me know, leave it in the comments below, and I'll see you on the next one.